Hello everyone and welcome back to Theme Park Explorer. As you saw from the clip, we are in the Big Blue Hotel in Blackpool and I'm going to be showing you around the room. So as we can see here, there's quite a nice coat hanger, so it's like a roller coaster track. Of course there's your emergency exit and your card, which is actually permanently in. Then moving into the children's area, you have two TVs here and a few bits down there, including what looks to be some sort of PlayStation, I believe PS3. Perhaps that might need an upgrade soon. Then you have the bunk bed, two individual lights, and a blanket, which is not included, I'll say. Of course you have the light. Then you have a little game here to play. Then you have lots of storage. I won't show you all because we have stuff stored. Then you have the light, which I believe this one is for the heated towel rail. But moving into the bathroom, you can see me in almost 3 different angles. Then you of course have that towel rail, the sink, toilet, and towels. All you could need in here really. You have some included amenities there. Shampoo, that shampoo conditioner, that shower gel. Then over here you have the actual bathroom. There's a shower. I haven't used it, so I can't comment on if it's any good. I don't plan to use it. You have a hairdryer there, and an ironing board, a mirror, full length, a chair, a bin, and then here's your tea and coffee making facilities. So you have shortbread and obviously various teas. Moving on over, you also have some various leaflets, dry cleaning, a few bits and bobs in the local area. Then you have this quite nice picture of Pleasure Beach. I'm not sure who took when that was taken. You have your phone, and this is you have 2 desks. There's one here and one here. This one has the TV on. It's not the biggest TV, but it's certainly not the smallest one. You also have some storage. That looks like a CD player there. Then over here you have the air conditioning. I must say it's not the best. I've got it set on, let's have a look, 17.5. It's quite humid in here, so it does struggle with the humidity. You have 2, actually I haven't tested this out. Oh, this dims the lights over there. So this is a king size bed. And then you have a normal single. This one's quite springy, so if you like that, then yeah. And here's the view. We've got quite a good view of the big one and a few other rides. Red Falls, I think it's called that. Actually, I think here comes the big one. So maybe if we wait. Here it comes. He says. So it's quite a nice view. But that concludes the room. And I'll see you.